In my opinion, the S&P is an absolute house of cards and it is about to crash. The whole stock market is more likely to crash than it is to continue pumping to new all-time highs. And if you are inside of my community, Nordic Alpha, then you actually got multiple longs from the bottom and multiple shorts from the top. We called the top, we called the bottom multiple times on the S&P just in the past month or two. I am Drew Wolfer and I'm a verified pro trader and a commodities expert. I have an over 91% live tracked and documented win rate that you can go and check out anytime on drewwolfer.com/win rate. You can literally find the links to every single call out that I had. You can see the trades that we won. You can see the trades that we lost. And again, all of these trades are called out live and documented, which is very different than what most YouTubers do. Most YouTubers don't live and document their trades, okay? So that is the inherent key difference to the trades that I am talking about with a 91% win rate, okay? Now, I want to get you inside of the charts and I want to show you why I think, in my opinion, that the S&P is an absolute house of cards and the stock market crash is going to come, but it might not come until 2026 because there is a very well-known event that we all know as the Santa Rally. And what does the Santa Rally entail? The Santa Rally essentially means all of the institutions, the big money, the big dogs, the guys that make the market what it is and move the market how they move it, and the institutions that have access and invented the algorithms that run the market. They're all on vacation. They are leaving at the end of this week, if not the end of next week, to go out to the Hamptons and hang out with their families for Christmas and for New Year's, okay? So there is going to be a lot of retail in the market. Now, what does retail do? Retail is your grandpa, your uncle, your brother-in-law, right? The people that are like, I bought you 2 shares of Apple for Christmas, right? They're investors. They're not traders. So a lot of times what the Santa Rally really is the institutions taking time off and retail just coming in and investing. Okay, so you could see the S&P still continue to float up or just stay relatively stagnant before this big massive collapse happens all the way down to about $5,600. And we're going to get into the charts right now and I'm going to show you the base case of that $5,600 price target. Okay, now first and foremost, let's talk about some of the trades that we did inside of Nordic Alpha, okay? We called this trade out, boom, perfect entry, perfect exit. We also called this trade out right before that, boom, perfect entry, perfect exit. You got a 9x risk reward on this, meaning for every single dollar that you risked on this trade, you made $9, okay? I gave this out days and days and days in advance inside of the Nordic Alpha private VIP trading room that you can come into any time that you like, and you can get into my equities TA and check out everything that is going on inside of there. And as you can see, here's a trade that I gave out literally, boom, perfect entry, perfect exit, absolutely smashed it. And we made what, couple of $1,000s that day? Yeah, in options, right? Nice gains, full take profit hit on the short that I gave out, bang, bang, boom. You can come in here and you can check all of these different trades where I'm giving it out every single time, right? So here's the long that we actually gave out, right? I'm going to show you this long. Well, the Discord does not seem to be cooperating with me too terribly well today, but in any case, here's the long that we were talking about. There's the short. Here's a long. Absolutely crushed them. Here's another short that we hit. And as you can see, this is me giving that trade out live while it's hitting in real time and then setting up the opposite end of that trade, which is exactly what I'm going to be showing you here in just a second. Okay, so with all of that said and all of that out of the way, you saw this trade literally being set up live, right? And then you saw this trade being set up, and as you can see, we took that trade down, boom, perfect entry, perfect exit, take profit, no problem. And we had, what was the risk to reward on this? 4x risk to reward. Every dollar you risked, you made $4, okay? Then we just took that trade all over again, and bam, 5.6x risk to reward, bang, took it all the way down, and then guess what? Now it's hitting all over again. and it's perfect, right? And we can average in all the way up to this 0.786 Fibonacci. Now, here's my bias, okay? I do not think that there is any bullish nature in the S&P until we come up here and we crack the all-time high and potentially hit the first deviation zone on my parallel, back test the 0.786 at about $6,926. That's when you can start thinking about, okay, the S&P is going to continue upwards, right? Now, here's the thing. This is what we got from very, very positive and bullish sentiment from the Fed. A 1% move up. What does that tell you? That tells you there's not a lot of buying interest in the S&P right now, okay? So this short could potentially play out. Even if it doesn't, we still took these two previous shorts that absolutely murdered it. So even if we get stopped out on this trade, which we shouldn't, because we can still take this short all the way up to $6,927 to that 0.786 fib, we are going to be in the money big time. And if we break below this, we are looking to bring this down to the naked daily VWAP at about $6,700. So if we break below 68 and we get a confirmation below that, boom, we're coming down here. If we break below that, guess where we're coming? Right down here to the $6,600 to $6,640 range, which is the top end of the parallel, right? And if you're wondering what that parallel is, I'll just zoom out and show you exactly what it is, right? This is what I call a parabolic parallel, right? From all these highs connected all the way through, and all of these lows connected all the way through, right? And as you can see, we got up above it right here, right? This is our parallel. We got up above it, we back tested it, boom. And if we lose this parallel, dude, we are coming down here to about $5,500 to $5,600, okay? Your worst and best case scenario, in my opinion, is you get a bounce at $6,160, which is the previous high before we got this massive, massive fall, and then our huge move up, right? But the one thing that I want to make sure that everybody is taking into account is this Fibonacci level, okay? Let me show you. If you look at the run up on this fib from the low to the high, you could see that we could be coming down here to $5,650 before we get a nice bounce up on the S&P. Now, what happens if we get down here? Well, we're going to start thinking about longs, right? And then we want to be able to predict where could we be potentially going after that? Well, I'll show you. We could be potentially going up to the 1.0 fib at about $7,500. So this parallel is going to be a huge, key, critical factor that you have to take into account inside of this market as it sits right now. But once we get all the way down here, we could see us coming all the way back into this parallel, right? If we were to somehow get outside of this parallel, I don't know how we would, right? We would have to see a massive move down to the 0.618, and we would have to see that happen like late February of 2027. I don't see us getting outside of this parallel. So this is going to be your first support, is the 0.618. Then you're going to have the parallel support. If we bounce from there, we are going to see us potentially coming back up to these all-time highs, and that's where we can pull our all-time high trend-based Fibonacci extension and figure out what's our next level past the 0.786 that we're rejecting from right now, and you guessed it, it's the $7,500 level. So that is my essentially base case on why I think we could be pulling back to anywhere from $5,500 to $5,600. Worst case or best case, I guess, scenario, $6,150 back to the previous all-time high before we saw that precipitous fall downwards, right? And then that's where you start buying, and you could see us pumping up to the $7,500 range, right? So if you're looking to call the tops and you're looking to call the bottoms, look no further than the Nordic Alpha community. We've done it multiple times just in 2025. Thus far, we have a 91% win rate. We have never had a single down week inside of Nordic Alpha in 2025, the whole time that we have been doing business. You can come in and you can verify that with anybody inside of the community. And if you like content like this, obviously, make sure you smash the like button and show up for every video. Make sure you hit subscribe. Boom! Bang on that notification bell. comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. I appreciate you so much for showing up, and I would love to see you inside of the Nordic Alpha community to let my 91% win rate work for you on your own time. That way you don't have to go out and try and time these tops and bottoms every single time that they are coming in. You can use us. You can use our expertise inside of every market, not just equities, not just the S&P. We give out call outs inside of Forex, inside of metals and commodities, inside of Bitcoin and crypto. Every market, you name it, we'll do it, and I would love to see you in there. So everybody have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for showing up.